guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope that you are good. Today it is part day 3 of getting Nabini to Dragon. These are all brain roads which I get some are from events and some are previous video and I got DJ Panda just. So first username of my subscriber is that Tum Sa 03. Yes, I'm searching if he is long online. Please accept. Yes, he accepts. I'm putting this, and I have also mariachi. What will he offer us? I just traded him, but he has Signo and also a Divine 67. See if he put Signo. Please Signo. Please put the Signo in the trading machine. He's saying this is not rare, bro. Okay, he also has Divine 67. I am saying him first that give me please Divine 67 or I will cancel. Okay, Divine 67 please. No, bro. He Divine 67. If he don't, I will cancel. Yeah, I'm canceling. Bro, please Divine 67. He cancelled. Okay, I don't care. Second username. Okay, he's online. Then he's plus. Let's see if he accepts. He is not accepting. Okay, another username of my subscriber. Yes, it's Trots. If he accepts, then see what will he. Okay, he accepts. I'm putting my DJ Panda and the mariachi. Oh, he has very good stuff. Mariachi spider and tank. Mariachi cameraman. The football in skatini, which I just crafted yesterday and at event. He's saying add more. I do not have anything, bro. He's showing me his Garma, bro. I don't have. Please cancel because I can't cancel. Please cancel. He's reading and he's trolling me. I know that he's trolling me. He's just trolling me, bro. If he give me that, then I win the challenge. But he's not giving. Okay. This username is a Semi Fatini avatar. Nice. DJ Panda and Mariachi. Bro, nah. If he's offer me something good, bro, teach no lost combination and Isok Segolo. Okay. It is good brain rot. I will do that. Bro, he's ready. He read it. I'm also. It is good trade or not? I don't know. Tell me in comments. I think so. I'm doing well because DJ Panda is rare than Lost Combination. But I'm doing that. Please. Yes, we got our first trade, which is Lost Combination and Isok. Where is it? Here it is. Here is our Isok, and where is it? It is in the first floor. Okay. The next username of my subscriber is this. If he's online, he's not online. Okay, he's offline. Okay, next username Andrew. Okay, Andrew. Oh, yes, he is online. Please accept. He accepts. I'm putting my. Bro, why I put my 6-7? Bro, what I'm doing? Put lost 6-7 and lost combination. And I think so. I need to put mariachi, but he is not offering something. He is not offering anything, bro. I'm putting my mariachi also. See if he's offer. No, I'm not putting. Bro, he has Signo. He will not give me that. Can you add? What should I will add? I don't have anything. I don't have more things. Bro, please understand my gameplay. Okay, next username. User not found. Why? I need to check again. Super duper. Okay, yes. Okay. He cancelled because he has not good stuff. Sorry, I don't have good stuff. Okay. IRM, please something good. I'm putting my lost combination. Isok, please give me something good offer. He cancelled, bro. No, bro. Please another trade request, bro. Bills. If you give me something good, then I will be very thankful to you. Please. I don't want karma, bro. I don't want karma because you don't give me karma. I want, but you don't give me. Oh, no, bro. No, no, no. I can't even give you a soak for no my egg because its rarity has now done. It is an terrible, but it is not that rare. But I will give you these two, four, and I think so. I need to add 6, 7. See if he ready. I think so. I need to ready. He's wasting my time, bro. Why? Okay, guys, this trade we get from Money Money Peggy and Mariachi. Please accept. No, bro. Bro, just I get this trade. See what will I get? I give Mariachi, Los Combination and Isok. See what I get now. Isok and know my heart. I'm lagging. I'm lagging. Bro, that is very W trade. This and acquire digitale and fishboard. And now, oh bro, I'm lagging. I get Spinny Hemi 153 million. Here is it, and Grappus Medusi and Horigini and nothing. And this Spinny Hemi also, bro. That is W. I add that it is for